What's going on, guys? RicoCapital here. Want to give y'all a trade update recap on Friday 7/19 and kind of how we did it, my mindset going into it, and how I did it for free as well. The alert came out free on my RicoCap Twitter. And so let's get into it. Very, very easy, right? So we're using the RicoCap zones here. And as you can see, we held this demand 551 on Thursday going into Friday. We held it overnight as well. And we're kind of chopping above it going into Friday at open. So two things I'm looking at. And I got this right here. You can get these plans every night, $10 a week for the zones, RicoCap zones. They tell you where buyers and sellers are at, and then they give you the game plan as well. So for SPY, it was this easy. Above 555.05, I'm slamming calls, and then below 551.46, I'm going puts. So it was pretty much these zones right here. Above 555.05, it got above there, I'm slamming calls, or above or below 551.46 right here, which we ended up taking the downside for the puts, and that's exactly what happened. So pretty much I saw how we kind of came out, and I just drew this easy, just kind of like something like this. I drew a yellow trend line, and I was like, all right, if this is bullish, we're going to hold this yellow trend line and go higher this way. And in no world where, if this wasn't bullish, we would break down here, right? So I see the yellow trend line. I see that we're not holding it. I get see my indicators kind of going off. And the second we opened up on that 15-minute candle under this yellow trend line, we're going to go right back down to demand. I knew that. I did not think we would hold that demand this time. I think we would come down to the 548 demand zone down here. So I ended up slamming those 550 lotto puts for about $90 a contract. Did it live as well, and gave out the free alert as well on the RicoCap Twitter. So all my members were in, and all the public on the RicoCap Twitter were in too. So I'm just sticking to my plans here. That was for SPY right here. Below 556, we're taking puts. So we got under that level. I took the puts. They kind of chopped us around a little bit. We got that move down, and they went in the money right here. At that point, those puts are up, I think, about 100%. So they went from $90 all the way to $180 a contract. I knew we would have some type of support right here at the 549.52 as we're hitting our blue levels. We're trimming some into this strength, but I held runners. So I held the last two runners because I wanted to see if we would just get that quick move down here, but that support held and we came all the way back up. Now, I'm not worried about this at this point because I knew that we'd get this retest, especially right here. As you can see, it came right back up, and you can see the candle wicks touching out of that zone, which is a demand now turns supply. So we now know that sellers are here and not buyers, and we know now that we could easily short that if we ever got to it. So now sellers are there. We got under it. We're now under it. We rejected it again, and then we came right down for that move where those puts ended up running to 220 plus a contract. So from $90 to $220, I mean, it was super easy there. And that's exactly the move we were looking for right there. As you can see, worked out pretty perfectly. And we can ask for a better way to end the Friday right there. Very easy. And just sticking to the zones, RicoCap zones. These are the game plans given last night. You can get access to these game plans, which $10 a week if you want to sign up. And that's RicoCap.com/RicoCapital. I have a bunch of services there. One of the services, $10 a week, gives you access to my zones channel right here. And every night you're getting these game plans. You're gonna know where you are in the market, and all you do is set the chart alerts, have the option ready that you know you're gonna take, and then once we get there, take the play and you bank. Just give it some time. Sometimes it works right then and there. Sometimes it takes a little bit, and you're gonna win. So very good trade for us on Friday. Simple, kind of one and done kind of thing. We did a second trade that banked as well, but that was on Amazon, so I'm not going to go over that. But just going over SPY and how we absolutely killed it here, doing less and winning more. So if this is something you like, if something you're interested in, subscribe, like the video, follow RicoCapital on main Twitter. And if you want to be a part of the team, guys, wap.com/RicoCapital, join the team, and let's win together, because the more you learn, the more you earn. So I'll see you on the next video.